I have a comment
kick
on
it.
YouTube haters
Oh, no.
phone. I wonder what it is.
Yeah. If we caught that, that would be even better.
Selena Gomez? 140 karat gold.
Okay, so,
What the heck?
Oh.
That's not actually
No,
Selena
it's
Gomez.
Can't be.
go out, middle, and...
Hello YouTube, I love you guys. Today I will show you how to type language you would like. Let's get started.
Oh, I know. Okay, tell me.
Step 1.
We get it. Oh, I got it.
First, click on
No, I blocked for you.
the button.
Now, could you let him tackle you so we could run at least? Sorry.
I want
Wait,
the
hold on.
score.
Don't do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
That's what Kugo's are?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put
I thought they were
and
like
Cougar the dancing bear.
I thought that was like, it was black and then a Kugo side.
No, because we made it.
What do you mean?
Like, we customized it.
Control.
Because
Oh, I know that. Never mind.
Yeah.
I know that.
No, can I see it?
Like,
No, it messes
Who's
up your
running
screen.
in here?
It's a joke.
we just met.
I tried that. Oh god, it messed it up.
Half
Dude,
time.
this is my video now.
Did you just put that on?
He's saying,
Like just now?
take off.
Look, ready?
Oh, look, can I touch you?
Alright, just don't press anything. See who gets it.
Oh, yeah, look at
But that's
this.
everything.
I like the Mac one. That's
I
funny.
know.
I got it.
Go! Oh, great.
Well, it was really
It's a
bright.
bombastic. It's a bombastic. It's a bombastic.
Just told you, don't press anything.
What do you want me to do?
Hey, what is this? Oh, it's a pass play.
Ooh, that was close. Come on, baby, die. Die. What team did you customize to do
This
Kugo's?
one. This one.
So that's
We made the players.
Online dating. But what really
So say that we didn't have this chip. It would just be black with the Kugo sign.
Oh.
No. Like, this team never existed. It's not in the real
It's a
games.
little bit.
It's just, kids.
Oh, that's
So we gotta make it. Let's find them with back and go.
Dude, turn that down.
Okay.
Is it a music?
What time is it?
It's 8:50.
This one's going to be down in the end zone for a touchback.
Yes, I will.
Alright, okay.
I hate them.
Oh, is that the...
Mr. Bean.
Yeah,
Ready?
Yeah.
I've seen that.
Yes! Go me. Wait, what if we take them back to a touchdown?
It's a touchback for us.
Yeah! Do you want it?
Yeah. What's the whole point of this?
You can follow it, behind. Wait, what? No.
Oh, great.
Oh, yes. How many all time? 19.
They're gonna punt return.
What?
Like, they're gonna punt it away from this.
Okay. I want to get him.
Cyphers is deep to
I do
receive,
too.
and something tells me he's looking for a second.
Nice. Dude, we're just gonna... Dude, that's close. Alright, remember, just go straight in there, alright?
Okay.
I'm gonna block.
Dude, that was tight. I got him.
Ready? Go straight in there.
Boom.
I see this.
Oh yeah, you did it.
Boom.
Boom.
That was tight. 1 yard to run. You want to?
Huh?
You want to run it?
Oh no, too late.
Baronis lining up for the point out. Baronis packs on the
Just a little bit. Just a little.
Okay, come on. Hurry.
Try and get it.
Oh, they're going over.
No, he's
now.
British.
Yeah.
Try the onside kick.
You like looked away.
Onside attempt.
Yes, we got it. Yes, purple.
They're gonna push him in.
Yes.
No, he's.
Middle
Alright,
one.
yeah, middle run. Straight in
I'm
there.
gonna tell you.
That side.
Wait, which side? This side?
Where the green's headed.
Okay. Move.
Go straight in there. Oh. I've seen that movie.
It's not a movie, Tom. It's an episode.
Oh. Dude, that three-wheel car, it's always gets in hurt. Like goes in ditches and everything. It's funny.
60 yards to run. Wait, what are we doing?
Pass.
Pass to here.
I don't know. Just don't press anything, alright? Until you get it. Oh, press X, it's you, remember? It's you. Press X. Remember, it's you?
I should have ran.
No, you can't.
He's an idiot.
Whatever. Should have told me that before.
Oh, you have to remember.
Skip this.
Baronis will try to get this ball just right. Get a good bounce for the onside kick. Here's the onside kick.
Oh, they got it.
Not so what.
Break as they can't come up with a recovery.
They are totally winning.
I know they are hot.
71 points, we're winning. Oh, that's not. They could catch up like in the whole game.
Oh.
If that
He
if
went-
that guy
oh,
got
Mr.
hand
Bean
off and went straight,
goes
dude, I
to
would've
Dennis.
sucker
This is so
punched him
funny.
right there.
You couldn't. You were over on the other side.
I like Williams.
That guy gets knocked out.
The guy tricked me.
I got it. It's our ball.
That guy
This is about the time where the quarterback
he tricked me.
field and one of his own defensive players will look at him.
Okay, what is it?
Middle run.
Going that way?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Move it. Snap! I jumped over someone.
I know. I can do that.
You can't have a good running attack without a good blocking. The blocking sometimes isn't enough. It takes a back.
Pause play.
Pass to who?
I don't know.
Oh, you want me to pass?
Oh, I am. Oh.
Go down in inches. Okay. You want to do that middle one?
No. We're gonna...
Single set backfield.
Hope this works.
They'll give it off here. Play action. Tries to fake the defense. Going deep with the
You want to do the
He's
middle one now?
known.
No, see what it does. Pause still.
Pass to who?
I don't know. Are you in it? No, you're not in it. Just go straight in there and barge in, alright?
Move it.
all that sets him apart. It's completed. Is out.
Okay, let's do that middle one.
I don't know. It doesn't really show up.
Middle pass.
We're gonna do it when we're
He's
really
known.
close to it.
The Chargers come out in a 4-3. Back to throw. To the
Oh.
and the pass falls incomplete. I know you want to be cautious.
Middle run. Here, let me do this one.
No. Fine.
This is my second one.
The San Diego Chargers line up in a 4-3. It's touchdown. Picked up a lot of yardage on that run. Yeah, give the offensive line a little credit. They
Wait, I didn't press anything.
but after
Yeah.
that, it was
Oh.
all running back. That's the reason this
Do it
guy
go.
is so popular in
I don't
this
have to
league.
do it.
Oh no.
Baronis lining up for the point after.
Run, dude!
And good.
Okay, I'll run.
Oh.
Oh, so